How to delete archived emails on Outlook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete archived emails on Outlook. To delete the archived emails in Microsoft Outlook, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, launch the Outlook application on your PC, or you may also open the Outlook website. For that, you will need to open any web browser and at the address bar type outlook.com. Now press enter to browse it. You will be taken to the official website of Outlook. Here you will need to make sure you have logged into your Microsoft Outlook account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in the folder pane on the left side, find the folder archive. Once you find it, click on it to open it. You will find the archived emails in this next window. Once you have opened your archived emails, here click on the email you would like to delete. You can also select multiple emails by holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard while clicking on each of the emails. Here click on the little box ahead of this email and there you will see the dustbin icon. Now users simply have to click on this dustbin icon and you can delete your email. Also, you can press the delete button from your keyboard to delete it. Alternatively, you can right click on the selected email and from here you can choose delete. Once you do so, a dialog box will appear asking you if you are very sure to delete this email. It also says that once you delete it, it will be moved to the deleted items folder. Click on this OK button right here and then you can see you have successfully deleted or removed the email from the archive. Now the deleted emails will go to the deleted item folders. When you click on it, you will find the deleted emails here. Now you can choose from here and if you wish to delete it permanently, you can click on this dustbin icon right here and click on this OK button to confirm the permanent deletion of this email. Go ahead and click on this OK button and then you can see you have permanently deleted your email from archived. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.